Crystal Angayunan from Group 1. So we were going to report our task, which is to interview some college students from different programs. It is all about the trolley problem. Scenario number 1, entitled The Switch. A runaway trolley is heading toward 5 truck workers who will be killed. You are standing next to a lever that can divert the trolley onto a side track, where only one person is working. Do you pull the lever, killing one to save 5, or do nothing and let 5 die? So let's hear to my fellow groupmates the answers of the college students from different programs.
I am Adrian Cinco from BIT Machine Shop. Scenario number 1. Name and degree program of the interview. Mary Grace Lucabon from BIT. Her response is yes. Her reason, pull the lever because it's only one person raman sa isa ka lever. Based on scenario, padulong pa ang train so naa pa kay chance muluwas ang isa ka tao. Since isa raman siya, aside if you don't pull the lever, there are 5 persons so it's difficult for them to save.
Good morning, my name is Cristóbal Vilado from BIT Machine Shop. Scenario number 1. Name and degree program of interviewee Christine Dariosa from BSIT. Her response is yes. Her reason is life sa tao kay importante man jud, but on the scenario gani syempre priority jud ang karaghanan.
Good morning, my name is Jan Michael Lemino from BIT Machine Shop 1Q. Scenario number 1. Name and degree program of the interviewee. Jane Lera Zamora from Bitilid. Her response is no. Her reason is I want Paul the lever kay kung ang lima musib pa man kay pwede man nako sila masautan na papawaon kay na-train. Then siyempre magpinabagay na sila na makagawas. Kay if I pull the lever to one person, man good, maratol to siya, way makatabang niya sa pagawas, so was dato possibility nga mamatay siya.
Scenario number 2, entitled The Large Man and Footbridge. A runaway trolley is heading toward 5 people. You are on a footbridge over the tracks next to a very large stranger. The only way to stop the trolley is to push the stranger off the bridge, killing him but saving the 5. Do you push the man to save the 5? So again, let's hear to my groupmates the answers of the college students in different programs.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rodolfo Torre Jr. from BIT. Scenario number 2. Name and degree program of the interviewee. Mary Grace Lucabon from BIT. Her response, yes. Her reason, as what I see at the video, 1 fatality is better than 5. Mas okay nga usaray mamatay kaysa sa 5. Name and degree program of the interviewee. Christine Lariosa from BSIT. Her response, no. Her reason, I will not push the large man kay konsensya sa nako ang magdisod kung buhaton na nako. Bisan makaluwas pa ko sa 5 ka tawo, dili gihapon sakto nga ako mismo ang hinungdan sa kamatayon sa usa ka inosenteng tawo.
My name is Steven Rutil Sabay from BIT Machine Shop. Scenario number 2. Name and degree program of the interview. Jane Lyra Zamora from Bitilid. Her response is no. Her reason, mas piliyon na kung dili siya i-post kay wala man siya isala sa naitabo. Dili sakto nga gamiton siya aron makahunaw ang trolley. Basin pa day nailaing pamaagi o dili gyud sakto ang pagpapatay sa usa ka tawo.
This time, I will answer these 3 questions. Number 1. What differences did you notice between how the students responded to the lever scenario versus the footbridge scenario? Why do you think that is? So my answer is, in the lever scenario, most students agreed to pull the lever because it saves more people and the harm is indirect. In the footbridge scenario, students are more unsure because pushing a person means directly causing someone's death. This shows that people judge actions differently depending on how personally involved they are in the harm. Question number 2. Which ethical idea, utilitarianism, deontology, etc. Number 2. Which ethical idea best explains the answers you collected? My answer is the answers collected can be explained by utilitarianism and deontology. Some students base their decision on saving the greatest number of people, which reflects utilitarianism. Others refuse to take an action that would directly cause someone's death, which reflects deontology thinking. This shows that different ethical ideas influence how people make moral decisions. Question number 3. What is the use of examining a hypothetical situation like the truly problem? Examining a hypothetical situation like the truly problem helps people understand moral decision making. It allows us to discuss ethical principles, compare different viewpoints, and develop critical thinking about right and wrong.